Today we're going to take a look at the Fusion LED combination tail light bar for trailers over 80 inches wide. This is going to be a submersible light with a clear lens. Now, this is going to have a multifunction light. We're going to have our red LEDs to act as our stop, turn, and tail light, and at the bottom we'll have 4 white LEDs to act as our reverse light. It has a clear lens all the way down, so show our lights clearly. I'm going to connect this to ground. My white wire is going to be my ground wire, and then my black wire will be the running light circuit. So go ahead and turn that on. And as you can see, we'll have our running lights there. If we tap our yellow wire, that's going to be that reverse signal. Our red wire will be the brake or the turn signal. Go ahead and turn the lights out in the studio so you can get a better idea what that's going to look like in the dark. So again, running light signal is going to be a little bit dimmer, and then our reverse light, pretty bright to illuminate behind us so we can see what's going on behind our trailer, and then our brake and turn signal. So as you can see, it's going to be a nice bright light with all our functions that we're going to need. And again, those functions are going to be white for ground, black for tail light or running light circuit, red for our stop and turn signal, and then yellow for our reverse signal. Now the nice thing about this is that it is going to be sonically sealed, and basically that just means that this is going to be a waterproof light. So it's going to work really well for any applications where you're going to be getting in and out of the water and need to submerge this light, maybe on a boat trailer or something like that. It's also just going to mean that it's going to be impervious to any water getting in there, so it's going to be a really long-lasting light. At the back, you'll see where all our wires come through. Those are actually covered with a sort of potting material. It's kind of like a silicone that's sitting in there to just seal all that up, so we don't have to worry again about anything getting in and causing any corrosion or shorts with our wire. Now this also is going to have a surface mount design, so it's just going to attach via the 2 holes at either end. This does not come with any hardware to get it attached, so you will have to find some separately. And another thing about our LEDs is that these are going to be a great improvement over any incandescent bulbs, since we don't have to worry about changing any bulbs. Since these are going to last for a long time, they're going to last up to 50 times longer than your incandescents. This also has a durable surface mount technology, which just basically means that it's going to be attached to a surface that's going to be better able to withstand shock. So you won't have to worry about bumpy roads causing your lights to short out. And it's going to also have a better heat distribution, so our lights are just going to be that much longer lasting. The housing and lens are going to be made of a durable polycarbonate. And this is going to be DOT compliant. It meets all SAE compliant ratings for our trailers over 80 inches wide. As far as our dimensions with this light, it is going to be 20.5 inches long from end to end. And then it's going to be about 1 inch wide and about 3/4 of an inch deep. The distance between our mounting holes is going to be 19 5/8 inches. In total, we'll have 19 diodes, and our power draw at 12.8 volts is going to be 0.265 amps for our stop and turn signal. Our taillights are going to have 0.24 amp draw, and our backup light will have 0.3 amps. Optronics also has a lifetime warranty on the LEDs. That's going to do it for our look at the Fusion LED combination tail light bar for trailers over 80 inches wide with a submersible design and a clear lens.